Hello everyone, I am Nipun from grade 4. Today I am going to show an experiment that is miscible and immiscible liquids. To make this experiment, we need 2 glasses of water, some milk and some cooking oil. Now I am pouring this milk into the glass of water. Now I am mixing it. See, the milk is totally dissolved in water. So, it is miscible liquid. Now, I am adding this cooking oil to another glass of water. Now, I am mixing it. But the cooking oil made a separate layer. See. So, it is not dissolved in water. It means it is immiscible liquid. This experiment shows that some liquids are dissolved in each other. They are called miscible liquids. And some liquids are not dissolved in each other. They are called immiscible liquids. Thank you.